really successful. Been trying to get that client for well over 12 months now. That pays for the whole show 3 times over. Hi, I'm Jayen Manders. I'm the director of Lumberjaxe. I always wanted to start a business, and time again, I used to always come back to food. My granddad had a brick-built barbecue, and we used to always go over to his house and have family dinners in the summer. And he used to do mad things like throwing beer over chicken. Then me and my brother joined forces and decided to start a seasoning, just based off the back of my granddad's brick-built barbecue, because he used to make his own blend. I think the outdoor living and barbecue industry has grown massively. And then obviously COVID happened, so it brought a lot of people back to their gardens, cooking over fire, which is what we're all about. There's no preservatives in our products, and it's all natural flavourings. And we tried to bring over American flavours, but without all the salt and sugar in there as well. So a lot more to like a UK palate. We went on Dragon's Den, which gave us a chance to reinvent our business. So 5 million people were looking at our business overnight. We were very lucky to get investment off the back of it, and now we're working with the amazing Emma Greed. I think going on Dragon's Den for us has been absolutely amazing. It's really opened up our brand to, well, effectively the millions. And we've really, I think, took a look at what our brand is and what our core values are and honed in on that. But at the end of the day, when it's on a shelf, I'm not there to sell it. The product's got to do it for me. We've tripled the amount of stockists we're in. We've just increased our customers. Honestly, it's just been amazing. And as well, like working with Emma Greed just opens up so many doors for us. So this is my second year at the Food and Drink Show. Our first year here, it was our best B2B show that we've ever done. And this year's proven to be the same. It's a great place to connect with everybody. Also as well, distributors and customers that we're already with, it's nice to meet them, for them to see the brand in person, for them to meet our faces, but then also the amount of people that are actually placing orders on the day has been immense, especially this year. My brother, Brendan, he coined a phrase about 3 years ago, which we laugh at today, which is, with conversation comes opportunity. We can only do so much sat in an office. We are very, very big on, we need to get out of the environment, somewhere like here, talking to potential customers, talking to customers that we've already got. The conversations you have, you will never have something like that just sat in 4 walls or on the phone. Some of our biggest business ideas, we've had them here purely because we spoke to the right people. It's our best show, B2B show, and it's a home show for us as well. I think the biggest problem that we have in our business, which I think everybody does, is cash flow. We're selling products that are at a low RRP, but a high cost price because we're all startups, and to people that aren't going to pay us in 30, 60, 90 days. So I always try and wake up every day and go, right, how am I getting people to pay me quicker? How am I selling more units? And how am I getting my cost of price down? We always choose to exhibit at the UK Food and Drink Show, purely down to the high quality of leads. There's people here that are running garden centres that are 20 plus chained. There's independent farm shops, there's big distributors. There is some really big business here to be taken. There's only so many emails that I can send and so many phone calls. I get the majority of my business done by being in front of someone. I have to have them here, trying the products. There's so many benefits. The one thing that I'm really focusing on this year is increasing our sell-through rate. This is a really good place to do it because I'm meeting all of our current customers. They can look at the products, I can have great conversations with them, and it just buys them even more into that brand, which will be very costly for me to do, because for me to get in the car and go out there and visit these customers, it adds up to a lot of money when they can all come here and see me. I think the UK Food and Drink Show for us stands out purely down to the fact it's been running for a long time. Everybody knows about this show, and oftentimes they're here to place orders. So we're on day 2. Day 1, we took 8-9 orders on the day. So one customer that we've been trying to get is Klondike Garden Centres, which we managed to get over the line yesterday. We've been trying to get that client for well over 12 months now. Don't think we would have been able to have done that just being on the phone or via email, but the CEO was here. There was 2 buyers, assistant buyers. So having them as an entire group and being able to go, guys, this is our product, that pays for the whole show 3 times over. So looking back, we found that 75% of our current customers have come through the UK Food and Drink Show. We've either met them here or we've got into a distributor that has then stocked them. All of that's come from this show. So the UK Food and Drink Show split into many sections. We're in the farm shop and deli section, which is fantastic for us. We're all about being stocked in garden centres, farm shops, butcheries. They are all here, from independent customers all the way up to big chain garden centres. They're all walking past. It's easy to be in them 4 walls and go, oh, am I doing the right thing? But to come here, see everybody and taking orders and seeing people's smiles on their faces, and to be like, actually, yeah, I am doing the right thing, especially when they recognise the product as well. We found that a lot of that this year, people going, oh, I've seen this. I say to everybody, this is our best show of the year. It's amazing for us. Even if I weren't here getting any new customers. The fact that I can be here speaking to our current customers, speaking to our current distributors as well, it's really, really important that we're out here having these conversations. And also for us, it's really important that we're having this brand presence, because subconsciously people will remember. We've built quite a sizable business, and we really want to continue on that in the United Kingdom. But we also want to start exporting our brand into Europe, America, Canada. So I think we're going to spend our time here really proving the market and proving the model. And then, well, it's time for worldwide expansion. 100%, we're definitely coming back next year. This is the place to be.